Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal centerpiece and glam crystal candle holder set. So what you're going to need some of this silver bling wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. You'll also need the Rhinestone bulk embellishment packet in silver. This is also from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of wedding decor, event decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of these ice gemstones, and they are from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you'll need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a large piece of foam board. I have a scrap piece here that I'll be using. You're going to need a round mirror, a bud vase, one pack of these little votive Tealight holders, and I have a footed mini vase here. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. Also, if there's any items that I add to this list, they'll simply be added into the description box below for you guys to check them out. Well, those are the items that we'll need to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this glam candle holder and glam crystal centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. They're super versatile. You could use them both as candle holders, or you could use the tall one as a candle holder centerpiece, or certainly as a floral centerpiece. They're just super versatile. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.